I have problem with the washing machine when this is higher washing machine. The problem is that when I open the valve for water, this is the valve. When I open it, like water start flowing. I don't know what's problem with it. If you have any suggestion, you can give me in the comments. So thank you. What's the most probably the problem with it? If you have any experience on this machine or like this, if this is a small job or a big job, this is the machine. Thank you for watching. Oh, okay, I will show you the back. Oh, this is I think its system.